Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix games not using your dedicated graphics card in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the search bar, type Settings, and open it. Now click on System, then click on Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. If your game is not showing here, click on Browse and select your game. After adding the game, click on it, then click on Options. Now select High Performance. Here your nvidia, AMD Radeon, or Intel graphics card will be shown. Select it and click on Save. That's it. Now your game will use your dedicated graphics card, and you may get better FPS and better gaming performance. If this video helped you, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.